Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start with access. Make sure you are signed in as the store owner, or you have staff permissions to change payments and general settings. Once done, choose the target currency. This matters because prices, taxes, and shipping rates recalculate differently. Now go to Shopify Admin and open Settings. From there, access payments if you use Shopify Payments or General when altering the store currency. Do this now so you can see the live currency option and related warnings before making changes. Next, change the currency itself. In Settings, right arrow General, select the new store currency from the drop-down and save. Shopify warns you if orders exist, so make sure open orders are handled first. If you use Shopify Payments, enable multi-currency or conversion features. This automates most price adjustments. However, automatic conversions may round prices, so manually review high-value SKUs. Use Bulk Edit, the product CSV export/import, or a price editor app to adjust final price endings and preserve margins where needed. Finish by publishing and then testing. Place a test checkout from the storefront with a real payment method or test gateway, and confirm taxes, shipping rates, and order summaries display the new currency. Make sure reports and invoices update correctly and inform integrations like accounting apps. If something goes wrong, first clear browser cache and recheck storefront. Next, rerun a corrected CSV import or revert to the previous currency and retry after fixing settings. This troubleshooting step prevents lost sales and accounting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.